Welcome back to the third demo video of LearntoBank. In this video, I'll guide you through how to view and pay bills using BPAY, manage your billers, and handle notifications for assigned bills. Let's start by looking at the Bills section, where it can be found in the header section. Click it. On this page, you can view all upcoming and unpaid bills. As you can see, we have two unpaid bills here. One for Melbourne electricity, and another for daily news. Each bill displays the amount due, the due date, and its current status, where it can show whether the bill is unpaid, partially paid, paid, or overdue. To see more details about a bill, simply click anywhere on the row of the bill. This brings up the Bill Details page, where you'll find all the necessary information like the biller name, invoice number, total amount due, and payment details such as the biller code and reference number. If needed, you can also print the bill for your records by clicking the Print Bill button, which will then generate the specific bill invoice. Now let's have a look at the Inbox page, where again can be found in the header section here. When a new bill is assigned to you, you'll receive a notification in your inbox. For example, here we have a notification for a bill assigned by Melbourne Electricity, and another from Daily News. Clicking on the message will show you the message details and provide an option to either view the bill, which brings you to the specific bill detail, or another option to pay it directly. These notifications ensure you never miss a due date and stay on top of your bill payments. Now, if you click Pay Now, you'll be redirected to the BPAY page, where you can also find in the Transfer and Pay drop-down menu here. Now let's go ahead and click it. Here, you'll need to provide the biller details, which can be done by either selecting a saved biller or, for example, if there is a bill assigned to you and it is not saved here, you have to manually enter its biller code, biller name, and reference number in this section, which again can be found on the bills page where you open up the bill details, specifically under Payment Details, for you to refer. If the biller isn't already saved, simply check the Save to My Billers option to store it for future transactions. Now, if we move on to the Payment Details section below, you can select the account you want to use to pay the bill from. You can choose between your personal account or even use your linked debit card or credit card. If you prefer to use your card, click Use Card, then enter the card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV, which will pop out at the side here for easier reference. Once the payment details are filled in, you can either pay the bill immediately or schedule the payment for a future date by checking the Schedule Payment option. There's also the Recurring Payment feature if you need to set up automatic bill payments. Now I will demonstrate the process of paying a bill. I will choose Melbourne Electricity Bill here. Now I will first check whether Melbourne electricity bill have been saved or not in the Select Biller section. As you can see, since it has already been saved by default, we can proceed to step 2 and choose which account to make the payment. I will choose to pay by card this time, specifically using the credit card instead of the debit card, since we have never used that before in our previous tutorial videos. First, I will have to enter the card number. Just a small tip for those who don't know this. You can actually highlight the card number here and copy and paste it into the card number section. After that, enter the following details based on the card. Melbourne electricity bill has a total amount of $89.90 if you want to partially pay the bill instead of fully paying it, which is totally fine, as long as it's before the due date. For example, I enter just $20 here and proceed to pay the bill. Then if I go to the bills page, the amount has been deducted to $69.9, but since it hasn't been fully paid, the bill status here is showing it is partially paid. In this video, we've covered how to manage your bills using BPAY, including viewing and paying bills, saving billers for future transactions, and handling notifications when bills are assigned. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to manage your bill payments efficiently with LearntoBank.